So now I'm really happy. Back in my favourite corner. Lantern steering. And we've got enough wind to sail. What's the wind speed? Got 10 knots of wind. We're sailing now at a boat speed of 6 knots.
Let the sun come through because it's bloody cold.
First time in 6 months Lantern's complained that she's cold.
I'm not cold,
But great to be back out on the water. We sail up to Makkum.
in Sol en dan tegen iedereen zeggen we omkomen naar jullie.
Big change of plan. The mist has lifted. Maybe it's lifted in Lantern's brains as well. Hasn't quite lifted in my brains. But we're no longer going to Makkum. She said, well, you know, we could go into Hindeloopen and then sail on to Makkum tomorrow. And I pulled a very nasty face according to her, but yeah, well. So by the look of it, I'll have to reprogram our chart plotter and tell it to take us to Hindeloopen.
Yay! Nice.
Nice.
It's my plan.
Okay. So the microphone just fell off. Tighten that up. There we go. So I suppose I'll go below and see if we've got a phone number for Hindeloopen. 10 o'clock in the morning. Hindeloopen. Had breakfast. Went to the chandlery to buy some stuff. Found what we wanted, but the computer was broken, so they didn't know what anything cost and it wasn't labelled. So we came away pretty much empty-handed. There's Rolands, and beyond Rolands, Makkum. And for the beginning of April, look what a fantastic day with sun. We've got about 10 knots of breeze today. Should be lovely. So this is more like it. Sunday morning, first weekend of April, and we just sailed out of Hindeloopen, which I always call Medemblik, but it was Hindeloopen, and are now off to our to Makkum. We're off to our new mooring. And who says early April sailing's too cold? Lantern hasn't even put on her sailing kit.
Didn't bring my shorts.
We got a nice breeze, 12 knots, 10 to 12. And we're whizzing along at 6. Slightly hazy, but the temperature today is forecast to rise up to about 19 to 20 degrees. First gimbal shots of the season while we're actually on the way. See how they come out. Should be a damn sight steadier than me holding it with my old shaky hands. Happy campers in Makkum.